Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Take 23.
Take
Seriously. Okay,
live.
guys, we just got off of live. We shared with those people that were on live with us tonight. And for those people that were not on live but have been watching our videos throughout the week, we have been doing a decluttering in our home. And the main thing we've been decluttering are our natural hair products. There are tons and tons and tons and tons of natural hair products by an enormous amount of brands. Basically like the high-end brands, like the brands that are the it brands in the natural hair community. And we have so many. We have some that are very partially used, because you know that this is a natural hair review channel, which means that we get products and we review them, and basically they go on the shelf. So we have done videos where we will tell you what our favorite ones, or if you had to choose this or that, and we tell you about the ones that we gravitate towards on the days off. But those are the ones that we repurchase, and that those are the ones that we will be keeping. These other ones are ones that have been showcased in videos, and we love them, but you can't keep everything. So we've made a decision now, as much as it breaks our heart. We are product junkies. We've got to get rid of these things before the expiration dates like run out, they go bad or whatever, you know, whatever. But the products that we are going to be giving away in these, we're calling them MADCURLS mystery boxes.
Yeah, we're giving you guys an opportunity to like dip into our stash, the products that we are getting rid of.
We have a ton of subscribers now, and it's kind of like a celebration. We did have 2 giveaways. However, when you do giveaways, you're responsible for the shipping, and we just simply cannot afford that at this point. So what we're now offering is for you guys to pay the shipping, because we have often had this idea on Friday Night Live, and everyone has come in with, we'll pay for the shipping if you guys just give us the stuff and all of that. So now, you know, we're taking you at your word, because that is the only way that this is going to be able to go down. We have an enormous amount of products, and we have to get rid of them, but there's just no way in the world that we could possibly afford the shipping. So anyone that wants to partake of the MADCURLS mystery box is going to be on a first come, first serve basis. We don't want to turn this into a thing, okay? First come, first serve. Well, I had to work. Well, I mean, there's tons of like excuses that people have, because I've been in things in life. I've had excuses too, and it's just kind of like the luck of the draw. It's just one simple, it's not even like a giveaway, it's one simple opportunity.
It's not a contest, it's not a giveaway. It's almost like how like a company will drop something at midnight, and like you stay up like till midnight to like get it, and like they fulfill the orders as they come in. So we created a whole separate email, and we're going to tell you the email and what you have to send us in the email, and as the emails come in, we are going to fulfill them like that, and that's just how we're going to do it. So
when you get the email, we are going to ask you to what did you say, the email? So
they're mystery boxes. We're calling them MADCURLS mystery boxes. There's going to be 5 new and used products in the box. So 5 altogether. It's going to be a mixture of new and used. So if you don't like somebody's used products, then this is probably not going to be your thing, because it's going to be a mixture of new and used. I know we said on live we were going to ask you guys whether you want it new or used, but I'm like, everyone's going to come in and say, well, I want new products, I want new products. So like that defeats the purpose, because we're trying to get rid of stuff.
In the live, we said you would limit yourself anyway, so then we decided once we got off of live that let's just make it our lives easier, because what we're trying to do is declutter and simplify our lives. So to read each individual email and say, okay, this one wants 5, okay, this one wants not 5, this one wants new, this one wants new and used, this one wants just used. Like that's way too complicated. So it will be a combination, 5 products in total, not 5 each, not 5 new and 5 used, 5 in total, a combination of used and new. We don't know the ratio of how many new and how many used. It's just 5 total. You should know us by now, and kind of like our character and how we are, especially like me, I'm very persnickety, so you know anything used is not going to be anything that I would not approve of. It's not going to be anything that looks ratchet, rancid, you know, anything that like I wouldn't use
We
myself.
wouldn't send you a refresher spray that has like a quarter left in it. That's like, I mean, it's gonna be like a decent, it's gonna be barely used, like new, barely used, like, you know, maybe used once or twice, but
But again, we stress there's different types of people in the world, and so if it's something that you're going to be really like really zeroing in on, looking for any little flaw in it, we ask seriously, please please don't drive us crazy in that way. You know, I got this, like the way I was, like, you know, with one of those things, we won't mention the company, but like I was like really funny, whereas you got something and it exploded and you just kind of like wiped up and you were okay. I wasn't okay. I wanted it to be replaced, okay? If you're like me, I beg you. I beg you,
we don't want this to be a thing.
I don't want it to be a thing. I beg you, please don't do this, because we say they are new and used. Used meaning that people have used. They have been showcased in a video, so they are used. If you are anything like me, this is probably not for you. This is just for people that are product junkies, beginning their journey, still trying to test products, trying to discover your hair type, trying to see what you want to use and like without having to go to a Target and spend a fortune.
Yeah.
Okay, we're giving you 5 full-size products for $25. And if you're somebody that just wants to be in the spirit of it, just to test things, then this would be for you.
Yeah.
If you're someone that's going to be magnified glass like me, it's not for you.
Right.
Okay.
All right. So the email we created, a whole separate email, stuff will be popping up on the screen so you can see it, just in case you're like, you don't understand us or we talk too fast. We'll try to slow down. So the email is madcurlsmysterybox@gmail.com. That is the email. Here's the things that you have to email us. Okay, ready? Email us your name, your address, your hair type, hair porosity, that kind of thing, and brands that you like or would like to try. Like, give us 5, 6, 7 brands, just some brands you would like or would like to try, so we could give you a box that you would like of these brands.
I want to stress here, brands, not products.
Not products,
Okay.
brands.
No, not that specific brands that you would like to try. And if that's possible, we will try to add like 1 or 2 of those brands in your mystery box. It's not guaranteed. It is definitely not products. It is definitely the brand. Okay, so say for instance, you want to try Diva gel. Okay, so you like Diva. Say I want to try a Diva product. Don't say Diva gel. Don't say Diva Archangel. Do not get that specific because we may not have it here. You would be okay with Diva. Some people are not okay with Diva. If you want to try Main Choice, don't say Main Choice.
Tropical
Moringa line.
Yeah.
Don't say that because that's too specific. Just say I want to try Main Choice. Okay, I would like to try Main Choice. I would like to try Carol's Daughter. Okay,
Yeah. Give
just
us
the
the
brand
brands.
name.
Yeah.
Okay, not the product.
So that's what you will email us. Do not double email us. So don't keep emailing us, because we did say it's on first come, like first serve basis as we see the emails, and we don't want to see your name multiple times in the emails. Don't send us more than 1 email, because you won't be picked.
Overwhelming.
That
Yeah.
will just aggravate me. Like, do not send us more than 1 email, just 1 email.
Yeah.
And do not send us money unless we contact you. So if we contact you, we respond to your email, then the process gets started. You will send us the money, we will send you the products, like we'll talk it out like in the email. But do not start sending us money until we respond to your email. If we do not respond to your email within the week, then we just ran out of products, and I feel like this is going to be a fast process. So
Yeah.
we just ran out of products, and like that's that. And I feel like we're going to be getting a lot of emails, so we're not going to have like time to respond to everybody. Like, you did not get a mystery box, you did not get a mystery box. So like, if we don't respond to you within the week, then you did not get a mystery box. But
Right.
give us a week, and if you don't hear from us in a week, then you did not get one. If you hear from us, then you would already know, and like the process will get started.
Yeah.
International, I don't think we mentioned that. So typically our stuff is US because we are paying for it now. You guys are paying for it, and international is a whole different ballgame. So we said these mystery boxes are $25. We are sending them in a medium priority,
Yes.
or medium flat rate box,
Yes.
which is $15. But we are doing shipping and handling, so we
Yes.
have to go out and buy like the little cushion things and the bubble wrap and all that kind of stuff, so your
Yes.
products don't come exploded all in the box. So we want to make sure we wrap the stuff properly,
Yep.
which we have to go out and buy. So the 25 is for shipping and handling, but international is a whole different
Right.
animal, whole different price. So if you are somebody who lives somewhere else outside of the US, you can still enter, but let us know where you are and we will price your box for you and get back to you. And if you want
Right.
to pay that, then cool. If
Give
not,
them like a ballpark figure what it could possibly be, because I said that's outrageous.
Well,
to me,
I think-
it would not be worth it, but
Yeah.
you said that other countries simply do not carry the products that the United States has, so it might be worth it to you to do
I
that.
think a small flat rate international is like $62, if I'm not
Okay.
wrong. It's pretty up there.
Okay.
It's definitely up there. So I mean, but if you're international, you live somewhere else, you live in, Germany or something, then the shipping from the United States to, your
Right.
country. So
Yeah.
it's completely up to you if you want to pay that. Completely up to you.
Right.
But yeah. Is that everything?
What if somebody says they want 2 boxes? I think that it should be 1 per person initially. I think something like this would go fast, but if it doesn't go as fast as we want it to, this is strictly about decluttering. We really want to get rid of these products. So I think, in all fairness, if we get a flood of emails in, which we anticipate, then I think everyone should be allowed to at least try something. So we will
Yeah.
try to do that. If it doesn't go as well as we think it's going to go, then we will track back.
Go another
this
round,
person
yeah.
wanted 2, so now we have enough to offer something. It's almost like you're at a Thanksgiving dinner. Don't let folks get in front of you and try to get their second plate of food before people even got their first plate. You know, I hate that. I do. So it's like that. Let everybody get their first helping, and then we'll go back around. My grandmother used to say, "Okay, now come on, you can come on and get your second plate." Okay,
Yeah.
so we're gonna ration it like that.
Okay. Yeah. So one box, one MADCURLS mystery box.
And don't email and ask us what's specifically in your box, because it's almost going to be assembly line around here. We get Spencer, Adam, Doggy, me, and Tay, and we're going to all put the stuff in. You know, Adam, you do this one. Spencer, you drop this. Okay, we're going to do like that. Please do not ask us what is in your box.
You will see. It's a mystery. I mean, it's a mystery down to what exactly the products you're getting, not your brands.
Right.
Hopefully, I'm anticipating that won't be an issue, that we will be able to give you the brands that you want. And I don't think I mentioned some of the brands that we have, just to kind of give you an idea of what we have. We have BodyWorks, we have Curly Chic, TGIN, Pantene, Alikay Naturals, Cream of Nature, Garnier Fructis, Camille Rose, Shea Moisture, African Pride, Cantu, Diva Curl, Weedad, okay, CURLMIX, Talia Waheed, Be My Curl, Sotanicals, Honey's Handmade, Nature's Little Secret, and so on. Yeah. So don't try to give us, like I said, 6, 7. Give us some brands. Don't say I only want Sotanicals, because then you like what if we're out of Sotanicals by the time we get to your email? Like, I don't know, it's like, you know. So give us some options here.
Even if you didn't hear us call out a brand that you might be interested in, it very well may be there.
It could be here.
Because there's just tons of things over there. Yeah. So we might not have had it on here, but we very well may have it. You know, go through our videos, see the kind of things that we've showcased.
Yeah.
So we very well probably have it, most likely.
Yeah, the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line is over there. I see. We have Uncle Funky's over there. So we have that brand at Sephora. I think it's called Way. Someone said one time, like, we want your Way. I think we have IGK in the box. So but definitely don't just send us like 2 or 3 names. Give us a variety here, because like, I mean, if you say, well, I only want Honey's Handmade, like, and we don't have Honey's Handmade, next email.
And that does not mean that the 2 that you specified will be the 2 only that you will get. We will do the best that we can. Yeah. But like I said, it's going to be assembly line. They might have already been grabbed and put in another box. So that's why we said give 5 or 6. You might get one of those out of the 5 or 6, or you might not get any of them. But just know that this is a mystery box. So you just don't know what you're going to be getting. So it's really a chance that you're taking. It's like a fun thing. It's exciting. I like getting surprise things. Yeah. I like surprises.
And if you're confused by anything we have said, it will all be in the description box, just written, so you can see it. I feel like we are going to turn the comments off on this video, because like there's nothing really to chat about. It's just is what it is.
That's a good idea.
There it is. Like,
that's a good idea.
Yeah, just email us to enter, not to enter, but you know, to be in the lineup for a box, and that's that. And I hope you know.
We'll see
you guys will enjoy your box. We'll see how it goes. You know, we all don't have.
We are a little bit
mental breakdowns. That's why it took us like I tried to do the opening. I'm like, I can't. Like, I'm nervous. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
So hopefully
it's
this
a
is
first
good
for us. We're very conservative on our channel as far as what we do. We don't really do a lot of risk taking. As you guys know, we don't do a whole lot of challenges. We don't do a whole lot of collabs. We tippy toe in the natural community in our own way. So this is extremely new to us. We mean to bless people in our own way, and we hope it's not offensive to anyone. We hope that we haven't like overstepped, misstepped. We've done nothing wrong. We're doing the best that we can. Really, it's coming from our heart. So we just hope it goes well. Yeah, and we'll see how this goes.
All right, guys.
All right.
Thank you so much for watching.
All right.
We love you, and we will maybe chat with you in the emails. MADCURLS email about your mystery box.
All right.
All right, guys.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.